y'all moving vlogs, give me y'all vlogs. So let's go about my day.
I want to run away somewhere you will never find me, when no one knows my name. You drove my heart insane, and now I must take the blame for letting you in. There is no time like the present to remind you you're irrelevant. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. Asked me to promise you I would be the one to lose.
Every morning. Sam Marcel, and I got some Otterbox. So I got some stuff in the mail today. I got some Sam Marcel makeup. They are a new line that is launching. They actually hit me up from FameBit, and they emailed me and was like, hey, just email us. And I was like, all right, cool. So I emailed them. They gave me a highlight palette. Y'all know I love my highlight. Liquid lipstick in Bougie, and their mascara, their voluminous mascara, or volumizing mascara. And then I got an Otterbox package. Y'all, I found the hack on Otterboxes from some family friends, and let's just say I only paid $6. $6, not $600. $6 for what I'm about to open. So if I can open it, I can show y'all. None of my niggas no hope. All of my niggas on go. Ooh, bet. Alright. Well, that's fun. So I got this case. I got this case. Ooh, I wanted this case so bad. Got this case. It's like clear with some. Can y'all see it? Yeah. And then I got the statement case. This case has been the one that I've really been wanting. So y'all know I just got the iPhone X, so finally can put a case on my phone. I need to get a pop socket and then I'll be straight. But yeah, I got three phone cases from Otterbox, literally from the Otterbox website. for $6.35. You only pay for handling. You don't even pay for shipping. Shipping was $0. You only pay for handling, which was $5, and then taxes was $1.30 something. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got 3 cases for only $6. If you want to know how, I got you. I guess I'll let you in on the scoop, maybe. But it's real out here. You can get some cheap Otterbox cases, even though they're not cheap if you have to buy them. But I do have a Apple Watch, and we're gonna connect it to my phone. I have to get my mom's. This is my mom's old one, so I have to get her stuff off of here first, because it's on activation lock right now. Then I'll have Apple Watch for when I work out, so that you guys can, you know, see my workouts and calories and what I eat and all that shit, because that's the stuff I'm gonna be doing. I am almost done with my personal training certification. I just have to set up the time to take my tests, along with going to get my CPR and AED certificate before I go take my test. So that's really it. But today we're going to go to our friend's house, Josh and Kaylin, and we're gonna be over there for a little bit. It is Monday, so I have a video to film today. I really don't know what I'm filming yet. I do have her giving hair right here that I want to film this week. I'm not opening it for you guys because this is a different texture of hair than the other videos, so you have to see and wait and see. But yeah, you know, I think I like right now at this point I really want to do my makeup, but I'm not. Oh, but I like this bronzer. Bronzing. Oh. None of my niggas no hoe. All of my niggas on go. I've been wanting a pink highlighter for the longest, and now I have 2 of them. Oh, it's lit all summer. All summer 18. All summer. And I'm taking these out tomorrow. Tomorrow. These are coming out. My hair's in a little tiny bun today because that's all I really felt like doing. But I will talk to y'all later. I'm not going to the gym today. I'm going to take today as a rest day and a day to plan out my workouts, meals, and all that stuff. So that'll be what I do today. Besides going over my friend's house. But you know, usually I'm going somewhere. I don't think I'm going somewhere tonight. We'll see.
Should I watch my live? I'm like, damn, this shit really all bright and shit. I'm like, this shit, I my person.
Here's some blood booty.
Ray didn't like this because the movies.
Yeah,
No, it's the wrong.
I was like, oh, yeah.
Brady, you gotta pee? Well, I'm feeling on this, so that's what it is. We got it. What? Yaddy.
What? We got the camera. We got the baby. They love to see the kids.
They love the kids. Tree love the kids.
In the studio.
No, who love the kids?
There is no time like the present to remind you you're irrelevant. There's no